All right. Now let's talk about revenue first loyalty patterns that actually work, because that's important. If not, that
Yeah, yeah. I mean, otherwise, CFOs are going after CRM heads and loyalty heads. That's important, right? Uh,
So the first one is tiered loyalty programs with VIP perks.
yeah,
The best way to do that is by creating segments or creating tiered loyalty programs for like so based on the tier you're getting the perks, right? For different tiers there are different perks that you'll get, and that works out really well, right? Next is paid membership or subscription loyalty. A lot of CFOs that you have been talking about do not really want to entertain any loyalty program or anything like that, because they see it as an additional cost which they do not want to subscribe to unnecessarily. But they want, if they but they are on the but to such brands, what they can focus on is a program where people are paying to get becoming a member, and then they are getting the benefits of being part of that membership, or being part of that particular program, or uh, yeah, of that subscription. So like brands like Amazon and all of these are a big example of all of this, right? You become this member, you subscribe to a particular amount that you're going to pay, and that main thing allows you to interact and engage. That it creates a psychology, right? I'm paying for it, why am I not engaging for it? And
yeah.
that engagement in turns into loyalty as soon as the engagement increases, and then of course the repeat purchases and everything starts happening. So
That's very
that's
important point, Shrey. I mean, you look at Sephora, right?
yeah.
Sephora has this program, the global program. What they have in India, they are through a reseller partner, but global program what they run is Beauty Insider, right? Now,
Yeah.
based on how much you shop with Sephora,
Hmm.
okay, you have different tiered levels.
Yeah.
And you have a lot of VIP perks and premium experiences, right? It's not that you come buy, well, I'll give you points. No, you buy this much, now you have reached this tier, now you're we are inviting you for some makeup classes, makeup sessions, some early access to our products, or the product they are launching in different countries, or no, and that particular country you have a specific access to that. So giving that premiumness, by giving
Yes.
that VIP treatment to the to different tiers is a very very welcoming thing by the customers.
And also it's true also, when people don't pay for anything they don't value it too much, but when they're paying for something they really value it.
Ask me about my dietitian right now.
Got it. All right. Then comes gamification and challenge based loyalty, which allows users or customers to basically, uh, interact, engage in such a way that gets them committed to the platform, or to the brand that they're doing it with, and then providing them some rewards on top of it. And that this is something that gets executed when there are cultural differences that are there into different regions that you want to serve to, right? Where you create different gamification or use different gamification techniques for users to engage with your touch points, and then accordingly you allow them to get the benefits of it. So they feel that they're earning it, right? There is a way
Yeah.
to earn it. They're not just getting it like just like that. So that's one way. Then comes
I,
personalized.
I remember, right? Amazon started this, right? Amazon, if you buy on Amazon in India and globally, they have this, they will
Mhm.
prompt you with a few questions and then get you into a lucky draw from that, right? And these were for again different years. They were different kind of questionnaires, the kind of gamifications and the challenge based loyalty, right?
Mhm.
Becoming very very important. Like Myntra has launched the coin based, Flipkart has launched the coin based systems, or Starbucks also does bonus challenges for the customers to to drive that higher frequency of the customers to visit their stores. Yeah.
So this works out, but not for a lot of them. But yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Then comes personalized offers and next best actions. Again, you can use the power of Salesforce Einstein here to do the job for you.
Yeah.
Then comes experiential rewards. I mean, uh, So then, what happens in this is when you create a particular customer profile, and when that profile matures enough into for your brand, and uh, I mean, how should I? So like in different cultural and commercial. So I should read it out loud. In APAC, festival linked events or VIP previews not only drive emotional bonds but also stimulate full price spending ahead of markdowns. Right. So different experiential rewards is what you can provide to your customers that enables you to engage with your loyalty programs. So that's one way. I'm more used to of the first and the second one. So that's what it
Okay.
is.
See, I guess Mintra does it beautifully well. I mean, Mintra Insider. Lifestyle does it, because based on the different tiers, and if you have a gold tier or platinum tier, I mean, just taking some examples, not exactly the same way, but Mintra Insiders at certain level, you get 2-day advance access to all the offers, right?
Ha ha
So it's
ha ha ha
experiential.
ha.
Sephora, as I said, or Body Shop, for that matter, or who does it? Shopper Stop used to do it a lot,
First
wherein
citizen
First Citizen premium
card,
members,
black
they
card.
used to have a black card, exactly, black card, right? I mean, and they have
I
their
think Amex does it also with the
AME, right?
black
And
card.
then 2 days, the first 2 days of the store where you have the good stock and everything, they invite all those members and then
Yeah.
into their stores, and then give them that experience, and they can buy obviously good stock at the right good discount.
Yeah.